Hi everybody, welcome to Starland Torsten's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be checking out a beach area called La Barqueta. Driving down to La Barqueta, you can see how life is like in this region of Panama. People get around here by bike and horseback. There are little communities tucked away in this agricultural area. The people are really friendly and it feels like a real laid-back vibe. It's not busy down here at all. La Barqueta is a coastal area in the Chiriqui province. And there are a number of various developments in this area, including La Barqueta Resort, Las Olas Hotel. So the area is well known for its surf breaks and deep sea fishing. The town most closely associated with La Barqueta Beach is called Playa, and it boasts the oldest church in the Chiriqui area. So here are the checkpoint guards. They're checking people leaving and going into the area. Today that we visited was Martyrs' Day, so there was no music allowed to be played, and you could not buy alcohol. So if you were going to have a beer on this day, you had to stock up the day before. So we are arriving at Playa Barqueta. This place is a special place. It's off the beaten path and it's situated on a pristine beach. It does not have crowds of people. It has 14 miles of beach paradise, and you can see in either direction. A lot of people go horseback riding, walking. They take their dirt bikes down there along the beach. It's a hidden gem where you can escape the reality of everyday life. It's not overly commercialized. So you can really relax and unwind in this setting, which is a little piece of heaven. Here's an iguana in the middle of the road. When we came back out, there was 2 of them in this area. They seem to like to sit on the hot sand and warm up. Ahead of us is a gated community. This is Las Olas Tower, where residences, people live here. It also has a beautiful mixed beach with the volcanic sand, so the beach area gets quite hot on your feet, so keep that in mind if you go down there, especially if you're taking your pets down there. The covered palapas are beautiful because here you can get out from underneath all the sun and the heat, and it's a beautiful breeze going through here. Now normally these are packed on the weekend, but because of this holiday, it's not particularly packed. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful beaches. They have the red flags up in this area, so you have to be careful when you're at this beach. Please pay attention to the flags being posted. This is a resort area. It's nice because you can keep your windows open here and you can just hear that beautiful sea surf all day, all night. I love the aerial views. It really gives you a sense of what the area is like. This is dry season, so the areas are starting to turn brown. And again, you guys, we're really thankful for all the support you guys are giving us. You guys are liking and subscribing, and that really helps us out because, you know, it helps us to go and explore more areas of Panama, to give you interesting content that we hope is educational and you find interesting. And again, just leave us any comments or questions below. And once we get more subscribers, we're going to start doing some hopping into other countries in South America to bring you more information. But for now, we're just going to be focusing on Panama, our new home, because there's so many places to adventure out to and learn about. These residents have a pool, they have tennis courts, lovely areas to go walking in, see more of the bird life, animal life. Thank you guys, and please like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos.